What's the meaning of adenoidal? Adenoidal. 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 The word adenoidal is an adjective that describes a sound or voice quality that is nasal, pinched or congested. It is often associated with someone who has enlarged adenoids, which are lymphoid tissues located at the back of the throat. When these tissues become inflamed or enlarged, they can obstruct the airway, leading to a nasally sounding voice characteristic of the condition. People with adenoidal speech may have difficulty pronouncing certain sounds and may also experience problems with breathing, particularly through the nose. Treatment for adenoidal enlargement typically involves medication or in some cases surgical removal.